Oh, at this time, we're going to show you a slideshow. I hope you guys enjoy. Slappy Adventures. Yeah! It's Slappy Dog.
Yeah, man, let me know what I go on.
Everything.
Yay!
Will be
Alright, stay tuned. Here we go.